Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Van Winkle.
And it's Mrs. Eggerbrecht, and today is Wednesday, February 3rd, which is also World Read Aloud Day. On this day, children all across the world are participating in read alouds. Today, Miss Van Winkle and I would like to read a book to you called How to Catch a Star by Oliver Jeffers. You may also participate in read alouds with your parents and with your teachers. Now we're going to read the book. How to Catch a Star by Oliver Jeffers. All right. Once there was a boy, and the boy loved stars very much. Every night, the boy watched the stars from his window and wished he had one for his very own. He dreamed of how this star would be his friend. They would play hide and go seek and take long walks together. The boy decided he would try to catch one. He thought that getting up early in the morning would be best, because then the star would be tired from being up in the sky all night. But he could not see a star anywhere, so he sat down and waited for one to appear. He waited, and he waited, and he ate some lunch, and waited, and after dinner, well, he waited some more. Finally, just before the sun was about to go away, he saw a star. The boy tried to jump up and grab it, but he could not jump high enough. So very carefully, he climbed to the top of the tallest tree he could find, but the star was still way out of reach.
He thought he might lasso the star with the life preserver from his father's boat. But it was much too heavy for him to carry. If only he could fly up in a spaceship and just grab the star. But the only spaceship he owned was made of paper, and it didn't fly well at all. Perhaps he can get a seagull to help him fly up into the sky to reach his star. But the only seagull he could find didn't want to help. The boy worried he would never catch a star. Just then, he noticed something floating in the water. It was the prettiest star he had ever seen. Just a baby star. It must have just fallen from the sky. He tried to fish it out with his hands, but when the boy reached out to touch the star, it just rippled through his fingers. Now the boy was sad, but in his heart the wish just wouldn't give up. Slowly, he began walking home. And that's when he saw it, washed up on the bright golden sand. The boy had caught a star of his very own. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed the read aloud with Miss Eggerbrecht and I. Today is a very fun day. As an extension to today's Read Aloud, we would like you to participate in an activity that will bring our school community together. In our front hallway, we have a large bulletin board that currently has a wolf and several stars that are around the wolf. We'd like each one of you to create an artifact or to create a star that represents you. Your teacher is going to give you a yellow star. And I want you to think about, if you had your own star, what would it look like? You're going to take the star and decorate it in any way that you see fit. Be sure to write your first and last name on the star so we know that it belongs to you. After all of the students here at Center Road have created stars that represent them, we will hang them on our bulletin board for everyone to see. Make it a great day, boys and girls. Thank you. Bye-bye.